This is the revision for your NEET test. Okay. Yes. The motion for your NEET test is your Unit 1. You will be receiving only the objective type questions. Okay. The pattern for your examination is you will be writing for total 30 marks. Okay. From the physics you will get 10 questions. Each question carries 1 mark as it is the objective type. Okay. Physics 10, biology 10 questions, and chemistry you will receive 10 questions. Okay. Total 30 questions. Your question pattern is physics you will receive 10 objective type questions for 10 marks. Each question carries 1 mark, and chemistry 10, biology 10. Okay, total you will be writing it for 30 marks. The content that you should prepare for your test is all the formulas from the first unit, formulas and the tabular column that are given in your first unit, and the units for various contents that is given in your first unit, and the dimensions, definitions, laws that you are having in your first unit and the example for that laws. Then highlighted words in text, the text that are given in the black letters, and the values are nothing but the numbers with the units and the laws, namely Newton's first law, second law, third law, and the examples for that laws, and application that is given in your text, and points to remember that is given at the end of your text. Okay, these are all the contents that you should prepare for the test. What are all the contents? Formulas, tabular column, units that are given in your text, and the dimensions, definitions, examples that are given for the laws and definitions, highlighted words in the text. Highlighted words are nothing but the words that are given in the black letters, and the values, laws, application that is given in your text, and at the last you will have points to remember. Okay, these are all the contents that you have to prepare for your test. Is it clear? Yes. Now take your textbook. Those who are not having your text, look at your PDF questions that is given for you. Okay, take out your textbook. Take page number 2 in your textbook. Okay, yes, take it fast. Have you all taken? Yes. The first definition is given for mechanics, statics, dynamics, kinematics, and kinetics. Is it given? Yes. From this you will receive one question. Is it clear? From the definition of mechanics, statics, dynamics, kinematics, and kinetics, you will receive one question. Read all these definitions. Surely you will receive one question from this. Is it clear? Yes. Next, the natural state of earthly bodies is rest. Underline the word rest. The natural state of earthly bodies is rest. Underline the word rest. Yes. Next, the natural motion is force independent. Violent motion is force dependent. Underline those two highlighted words in your text, in your paragraph 2. Natural motion is force independent. Violent motion is force dependent. Underline that black letters given in your text. Yes. Next, you have to read all the types of inertia. Okay, inertia of rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction. Read all the types of inertia. Next is your linear momentum. Take your next page, linear momentum. You have to read the formula for linear momentum. P equal to mv, mass into velocity. Unit of momentum in SI system. Mark that. Unit of momentum in SI system is kilogram meter second power minus 1. You have to be careful with the powers. Okay, kilogram meter second power minus 1. Yes, underline that word, kilogram meter second power minus 1. Unit of momentum in SI system is kilogram meter second power minus 1. In EGS system, the unit is gram centimeter second power minus 1. You have to be conscious with the system that is being asked. Okay, if they ask you in SI system, you have to write kilogram meter second power minus 1. If they ask in CGS system, you have to write gram centimeter second power minus 1. Is it clear? Have you all marked? Yes, good. Next, what is force? Force is an external effort in the form of push or pull. Underline force. Force is an external effort in the form of push or pull. Yes, underline the word force. Next, force produces or tries to produce the motion of a static body. Dash produces or tries to produce the motion of force. Underline the word force. Yes. Next, you have to read types of forces also. Okay. Next, resultant force. What is resultant force? Mark these words. The combined effect of multiple forces can be represented by a single force termed as resultant force. Yes, mark from these. The combined effect of multiple forces can be represented by a single force which is termed as resultant force. Underline the word resultant force. Underline the word resultant force. Have you all underlined? Yes. Next, take page number 4. Read the tabular column that is given. Okay, action of forces, diagram, and resultant force. You need not see the diagram. Read only action of forces and resultant force. You will receive one question from this tabular column. So here, read the tabular column carefully. You will receive one question from this tabular column. Yes. Next, take page number 5. See the first topic, moment of force. The rotating or turning effect of force is called as moment of force. The rotating or turning effect of force is called as moment of force or torque. Next, the SI unit of moment of force is Newton meter. Underline the word Newton meter. The SI unit of moment of force is Newton meter. Underline the word mm. Next, see couple. In that couple, see the last line. Rotating effect of couple is known as moment of a couple. Underline the word moment of couple. The word that is given in a black letter. Underline that word. Rotating effect of couple is known as moment of couple. Underline the word moment of couple. Next, the unit of moment of couple is Newton meter. The unit of moment of force is Newton meter. Moment of couple is also Newton meter. Underline the word Newton meter. Have you all underlined? Yes. See the next topic, application of torque. From this you will receive one question, application of torque. Okay. Next, take page number 6. In your page number 6, see Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion is also called as law of force. Underline the word law of force. See in the second paragraph, you will have in the second line, it is also called as law of force. Underline the word law of force. Newton's second law of motion is also called as law of force. Underline the word law of force. Yes, see the right side. After the derivation, second paragraph, first line, force is required to produce the acceleration of a body. Underline the word force. After the derivation, second paragraph, first line, is marked at first two lines. Force is required to produce the acceleration of a body. Underline force. Next, in the same paragraph, unit of force is Newton. Unit of force is Newton. Underline the word Newton. SI unit of force is Newton. In CGS system, the unit of force is dyne. Underline the word Newton and dyne. In SI system, the unit of force is Newton. In CGS system, the unit of force is dyne. You have to look at the question carefully whether they are asking in SI system or CGS system. Is it clear? Yes. Next, take page number 7. The topic impulse. Take page number 7. Topic impulse. See, after the equation J equal to delta P, impulse is also equal to the magnitude of change in momentum. Unit of impulse is Ns. Underline the word Ns. The unit of impulse is Ns. Next, take page number 8, rocket propulsion. Page number 8, the topic, rocket propulsion. Propulsion of rockets is based on the law of conservation of linear momentum. Underline the word linear momentum. Propulsion of rockets is based on the law of conservation of linear momentum. Underline the word linear momentum. Next, see on your right side, the linear momentum of the system is conserved. On the right side, second paragraph, fourth line, the linear momentum of a system is conserved. Underline the word conserved. Have you all underlined? Yes. Next, see topic gravitation. After the law, you will have one paragraph like in that first line, force between the masses is always attractive. Underline the word attractive. Force between the masses is always attractive. Before the diagram, you have a small paragraph right in that first line. Force between the masses is always attractive. Underline the word attractive. Yes. Next, see page number 9. The value of SI unit of force is 6.674 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram power minus 2. Underline the value. 6.674 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram power minus 2. Yes, underline the value. Next, acceleration due to gravity. The unit, it will be given in your second paragraph, last line. The unit of acceleration due to gravity is meter second power minus 2. Underline the unit. Next, mean value for acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter second power minus 2. Underline the value 9.8 meter second power minus 2. Yes, see the right side of your page. Radius of Earth is 6400 kilometer. Underline 6400 kilometer. Radius of the Earth is 6400 kilometer. Next, see the last topic, mass of the Earth. Mass of the Earth is 5.972 into 10 power 24 kilogram. 5.972 into 10 power 24 kilogram. Mass of the Earth is m equal to 5.972 into 10 power 24 kilogram. Let's see on next page, page number 10. Variation of acceleration due to gravity. When you move to a higher altitude from the surface of the Earth, the value of g reduces. Underline the word reduces. Next, you have to read the unit of mass. Unit of mass is kilogram and the unit of weight is Newton. Next, weight is a vector quantity, mass is a scalar quantity. You have to read all that. And a paragraph is given, and the table column is given in page number 11, right? Can you see the table column? Apparent weight of a person in a moving lift. Can you see the table column? Yes. You have to read the table column. You will receive one question from this table column. Is it clear? Page number 11. Apparent weight of a person in a moving lift. That is the table column. Read the table column. You will receive one question from this table column. Is it clear? Yes. Next, weightlessness of the astronauts. See the last line. Both the astronauts in the space station are in the state of weightlessness. Underline the word weightlessness. Next, see page number 12. Applications of Newton's law of gravitation. See the third point. One of the irregularities in the motion of stars is called Hubble. Underline the word that is quoted there in the third point. Underline the word. Have you all underlined? Next, you have to read points to remember. Okay, from this points to remember also, you will receive questions. Is it clear? Have you all marked the questions? Those who are not having your text, please see the PDF that is given for you and read for your NEET examination. Is it clear? Yes. These are all the contents you have to prepare for your test mark. Yes, prepare well for your test and write your test well. All the best, students. Thank you.